It's time to see if the Kodiak can do my laundry. Let's begin, shall we? So this is my wash machine. Here's the plug right here. As you can see, connected to the wall. Let me take it out the wall. Plug it into the Kodiak. Power on. We're at about 90% power, 11.62 volts. Let's give it a shot, shall we? Pulling 19 watts. It's just filling the tub, so it's not that big a draw yet. At least it's putting the water in though. So far so good. The real test will be when it starts agitating. I'm gonna do a full load too. I got a lot of laundry. I got 2 loads actually. I know those aren't exactly whites, but they're not exactly darks either. Alright, seems like a full load. I like to stuff it a little bit, just so I get the most per load. That's how I roll. Alright, I'll come back to this as soon as it's filled up. Alright, it's about to fill up. It's going to kick on, and then the Kodiak is going to go nuts. Hopefully it doesn't break it. I don't even know how many watts this wash machine pulls, but we're going to find out. See, it's not connected to the wall here. That's just the dryer plug right here. This is the wash plug right here, connected to the Kodiak directly, and there's no connections external on the Kodiak. So I'm gonna have to close the door for it to start agitating. I'm waiting for it to fill up all the way. And I do use cold. That's the best. Less on your energy bill. Okay, so now it's full up. I'm gonna get ready to close the lid, and we're gonna see what it spikes to. Oh, you know what? It can't even do anything. Oh man, it can't even get it going. There is no watts on there. Uh-oh. 1200 watts. 1200. 1245 watts. 1268 watts. It's trying to do something, but it's not doing a great job. 123 amps, it says. 1300 watts. It's moving, but it's like not like it should. It's moving like at a snail's pace. But it's moving though. 1355 watts. It is agitating. Very, very slowly. Medium pace. We're at 1394 watts now. 1400 watts. A little over 1400 watts. It's going up though. Oh, I stopped and started. It went to 1500. It is agitating though. I think I'm gonna stop it now. I'm not satisfied with this test. I mean, it moves, but I'm not satisfied. It's going to take forever at this kind of pace. Alright, test over. But it did work, technically.